Hello and welcome to you all from the Giuseppe Meazza in Milan. Arsenal against Real Madrid. I'm Peter Drury, and here with me in the commentary box, I'm glad to report, is Jim Beglin.
Hi Peter, it's great to be here.
They've got underway here pretty promptly. Jim, who do you reckon is pivotal?
Well, a man who splits opinion, David Luiz. Is he a midfielder or a defender? I would say the former, because he has an impetuous streak that can't be trusted at the back, but full of Brazilian flair, and what a shot.
Yeah, I'm inclined to agree. Tries a through ball. It's a loose ball. Toni Kroos. Marcelo. Benzema spreads it towards the left. He's left his man. Hazard! That was mighty close. He's making good use of his strength there, just refuses to be out-muscled. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. It's Aubameyang, passes it through. It's Lacazette! Good stop, that wasn't easy.
The keeper really dug out his defence then, a magnificent effort.
Up to meet it! He's gone for goal! No, he's missed it.
Well, Peter, he clearly felt he was being invited to shoot, and it wasn't the worst decision he could have made. Arsenal have gone about their work with a real high intensity. This looks very promising.
It's come loose. Hazard. Benzema. Loose ball, who's going to get there? Now it's Lacazette. Lacazette plays it out to the wing. Going through. Aubameyang! Shapes to shoot. Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
Can he put it away? Disappointing finish in the end.
Well, Peter, I would say it was worth a try.
Casemiro plays it out to the flank. Tries a through ball. Played back in. Cut out in the nick of time. That was one quality pass away from being a very decent chance. Looked very promising.
Quality deserted them when they really needed it.
Looks like a good ball through. It's Kroos! He's going after it. Chance to cross here. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. Looks to slip it through. Aubameyang! Aubameyang! Modric. A real chance to break. He's made sure that that won't get through. Hazard needed to come up with a better ball. Well, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. And he's there to hoof it away. Time to deliver. Ball's loose. Who's getting there? Modric. Real Madrid can't seem to retain possession. Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. Benzema, he's gone for it! He's done very well to get to that.
Well, as tests go, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
Knocks it away. Ball forward. What does he try from here? It's Ozil. Good progress, but he'll have to go it alone. Now the pass. And the finish! We've got a goal! First blood drawn. Given such an open invitation, he was always going to shoot.
And that's what the game is all about. Find space and finish, but we have to credit the passer to pick him out.
Big occasion, big goal, crucial lead.
Well, registering that crucial first goal has now given them more incentive and motivation to take this on.
Decent clearance now. Can anyone get on the end of it? And it's Kolasinac. Defending was strong and firm. Shoots! It's in! And they are disappearing out of sight! And that'll be the last act of the first half. To look back on the first 45 minutes.
Arsenal just didn't want the half-time whistle to be blown. Convincing and controlled.
Arsenal ahead 2-0, and they are looking good. We're promptly into the second 45 minutes. Ozil with the ball through. Stuck out a leg for a good challenge. Hits one! Speculative strike. Oh, great save, real class.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with. Arsenal have decided to take control of this second half. They're dictating the tempo.
Benzema. Nano catches it safely. And it's Kolasinac. Questions were asked, but he's given the answers. And the counter is on. No way through there. There's Ozil. Right through the middle. He's got away. Aimed long and direct. That's one way of trying to make things happen. There's a few who could follow that example. Going through. It's a Bawaan. Now it's Bale. And the through ball is intercepted. Modric gets it back. Benzema. Mesut Ozil. Out wide to the right. He's left his man. He'll have a dip. Bale tries to get it forward quickly. Lacazette. Modric goes looking. Now it's Benzema, looking to force his way through. Oh, he's put too much on it. Looks like a good ball through. Good ball. Now it's Aubameyang. And Aubameyang! Bale. And it's Benzema. Hazard. And that's been won straight back. He's off on a marauding run. Goalkeeper's ball. He's been side down. Is that a penalty? The referee has given a free kick just outside the box. Real Madrid with the chance now to pull one back. This certainly looks appetising. Kroos! Oh, smart save. He had plenty to do.
Absolutely terrific. Terrific reflexes. Goalkeeping at its very best.
Managed to get it away. And that's another throw. Now it's Bale. That's a throw. Well positioned to make that interception. He's done well to tidy up the situation. Looks to slip it through. Going through. Lacazette. Modric tries a through ball. Oh, good interception. Passes it through, tries to get some whip on it, has a pop! Steered forward. He's got away, it's come loose. Steered out wide, tries a through ball, and that'll go straight through to the keeper. Bale. Benzema. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. And he's made certain that won't get through. Asrock plays a clever pass. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Hazard encouraged the pass with an intelligent run, but the pass just lacked pace.
Aubameyang! Oh, he's really... And that's that. Arsenal have got it done, through to the last four, and evidently now believing in it. And after all of that, Jim, what are you thinking?
Look, it's a first obstacle jumped.
So a warm welcome to you all. We will be on the way very shortly, once all the pleasantries are complete. Liverpool against